We are looking for best matching hotels considering user preferences in the Istanbul area, and first we select Besiktas as favorite city district and we put in a max rate of 20 euros. And looking at the search results, we see best matching alternatives considering the rate, and on the other hand, best matches considering the city district in question. So we got a good trade-off. Next, we want to specify some custom preferences on a map. For example, we specify a part of the city that we don't want to live in, here in the city district of Besiktas. And on the other hand, we want to define some part of a road in the old town that we want to live close by. And finally, we specify some other search criteria as soft constraints, and having a look at the results, we see that we got best alternatives considering all these preferences. Next, I'm showing you a preference constructor that lets you define polygons so that you don't want to live in, but you want to live close by. This is especially suitable for crowded areas. And if we specify some further constraints, we see that we got one perfect match that is really close to this district and satisfies all other such criteria. Another important feature of Preference SQL is the use of alternative distances for preference evaluation. First, we use Euclidean distance to find hotels close to a specific point, and we see 13 results that are all close to this point specified by Euclidean distance. And next we specify the same point of reference, and now we choose routing distance as evaluation distance for our preference. And as we see, we only get 5 results. Finally, I want to illustrate the group search functionality of the application. We again start out with one user, as already illustrated many times before. And now we click on the Add User button and we get another search tab that has its own map view, where the second user can also specify his own spatial preferences and can add non-spatial attributes, as for example the accommodation size. And if we click on search, we get 4 results, so that are best compromises, and each user is equally important in this case. But if we remove the results and make the first user our high priority user and we search again, then we see that the result set changes because the first user now is more important. So we also can weigh users against each other.